This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Michelle Davis. Move-in ready. Beautiful villa overlooking a park-like setting with a walking path in the wonderful Webb gated community of Southshore Falls. This 2 to 3 bedroom, or 2-bed/den, villa has a spacious open floor plan with plantation shutters throughout entire home. No carpet in this home, all ceramic tile throughout. Chef's kitchen features upgraded cabinets with granite counters and a breakfast bar, stainless appliances, Bosch dishwasher, French refrigerator, stainless double oven and Moen Stone sinks with an eat-in area. The kitchen overlooks the dining area and living space, all with upgraded light fixtures. In the master bedroom we'll find a ceiling fan, walk-in closet with a sliding door closet. The ensuite bathroom, walk-in shower and dual sinks with Corian counters. This home has a guest bedroom with a Murphy bed and third bedroom/den/office that has built-in cabinets for the office. The guest bath also has Corian counters. There is an inside laundry room with built-in cabinets above washer and dryer. The 2-car garage has a water softener, laundry tub and pull-down stairs to the attic. Off of the living area you will find sliding glass doors that lead you out to your screened-in lanai. Relax and enjoy the quiet with just walking trails and nature at your back door. Southshore Falls has a 24/7 gated and guarded entrance. This is a 55-plus active community with that features a magnificent 14,000 square feet clubhouse, an internet café, billiard room, fitness center, ballroom, bocce ball, tennis and pickle courts, lagoon-style pools, hot tub/spa, craft room, library, planned activities, clubs and yoga and nature trail, all included in the low HOA of $294 per month. For more information, review the details below or contact Michelle Davis at 813-787-4413.